And now the moment we have all been waiting for. There it is. Ferrari is a brand built on excellence and racing. And today, here at Mecum Kissimmee, one of the most legendary examples of those two principles is set to cross the stage. Triple Crown winning driver Graham Hill among those who've driven this car. It is the only example to ever leave the Maranello factory in white. This is the 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO, known as Bianco Speciale.
Part of the John Shirley collection since 1999, refinished in its original Bianco paint color, the Bianco Speciale.
And somebody give $50 million.
Well, there it is, Bill. And we are potentially about to witness history.
So much history, too. And you know, no matter how long the bidding goes, we'll probably never get to every aspect of this car. It is prolific in what it has accomplished. 3 straight World GT Championships, 62, 63, 64 class wins at Le Mans. Not this particular car itself, but this class of automobile just run rampant through the GT category during the early and mid-1960s.
I believe what really makes the 250 GTO the legendary car it is from all my years being around Ferrari is it's the culmination of the 250 GT program. Enzo Ferrari, Mauro Fugari, his engineers and drivers finally getting everything on a GT chassis that they wanted. This is the culmination. This car is Ferrari.
31 million is the current bid.
3-liter V12, 300 horsepower, 5-speed manual, top speed about 174 miles an hour.
And this isn't just a car that has sat static for its life. No, this car has raced. It's gotten first place, I think 5 second places, but also in its most recent ownership has seen a bunch of historic track days, and the owner hopes that the new owner continues that so people can actually see this car in person.
We mentioned Graham Hill driving this car, that great American champion Richie Ginther. Roy Salvadori, the co-driver with Carroll Shelby, that won the 24 Hours of Le Mans in 1959. Some of the best drivers in racing have taken their turn behind the wheel of this car.
33 million, 33 million, 33 million dollars, 32 million 500, 33 million dollars. How about you over here?
36 built, 33 of the Series 1 cars, 3 of the Series 2 cars. And that's it. That's all they built.
That's all there is.
32.5 million is the current bid.
They have been in rarefied air for so long, for so many years, that even just to see one in the open is a rarity. To see one cross the block and listen to the excitement from the crowd, it's stunning, stunning stuff.
$34 million for it.
We are at $33 million.
$33 million bid, sir. $34 million. 33 is the bid. 34, 33, 5. Anybody else? $33,500,000. 33,500,000. 33,500,000. 33,500,000. 33,500,000. 33,500,000 is bid. 34,500,000. 34,500,000. 34,500,000. 34,500,000. $34,500,000. 34,500,000. 34,500,000. $34,500,000. 34,500,000. 34 million dollars is dead. $35 million. $35 million. I have $34 million bid. $35 million. $35 million. $34 million is the bid. $35 million. 34 is bid. $35 million. You know something? He's going to be driving your car.
$34 million is bid.
$35 million. $34 million is bid. $35 million. $35 million. $34 million. $35 million. Anybody else? 34. $35 million. $35 million. I wouldn't yell like that by yourself. $35 million. $35 million. 34.5 is bid. $35 million. $34 million is bid. $35 million. Give 35.
Jimmy Landis asking for $35 million.
Want me to bring you a cocktail? 34. 35. $34 million is the bid. Give $35 million for it. 34. 35 million. 35 million. 34, 35.
No.
35 million.
34. Do we want to bid?
$34 million is bid. 35 million. Don't you want it to? I know it is. Yep. Give $35 million, sir. 35 million. 34 million is bid. $35 million. That's much rather sell it to someone standing here. $35 million. 34 is the bid. $35 million. 34, 35. 34, 35. $35 million. 35.
4, 5.
$34,500,000 is the bid. $35 million. $34.5 million. $35 million. 34.5. $35 million. 34.5. $35 million. 34.5. 35. 35. 35.
We're going to go back and try to get the reserve off, but we're going to have to give up our buy fee to do it. So you understand? Okay.
35 million.
Where'd he go?
34.5.
Go try to get it off.
$35 million. I have $34,500,000 bid.
Oh, now you're inside the rope.
$35 million. 34.5. $35 million.
Dana Mecum is making his way back into the crowd.
$35 million. I have 34.5. $35 million.
And we're holding at $34.5 million.
I have 34.5. $35 million. 34.5 is the bid. $35 million. I have 34.
The crowd around the Bianco Speciale is half a dozen deep on the sides.
Jimmy, did I also tell you that this car is for Ferrari Classic K Red Book qualified as well? It does have the Ferrari Classic K Red Book. In all 5 of Bianco Speciale's second place finishes, the only winning car was another GTO 250. Driven in competition by Graham Hill, Jack Sears, many other drivers.
What is it going to take here to make this deal happen?
Interior retains its period racing details like the hood loopers, cockpit air hose added by Coombs. Just an incredible car, Jimmy.
34,500,000 is the bid. Ladies and gentlemen, I can feel good things about to happen.
Gentleman in the white ball cap next to Dana Mecum is negotiating with somebody on the other end of his cell phone. That's a white Bianco Speciale ball cap, by the way, so that may be a good sign.
I was talking to Jimmy.
$34,500,000 is bid.
Anybody else is wanting to bid, you better get in.
Yeah.
Deal happen.
The deal's about to happen. If you think you wanted to bid on it, you better do it right now for $35 million. Are you guys all finished? Are you finished down there? $34,500,000 is the bid. $35 million.
This has to be a huge, huge decision when they're negotiating on this car. But guys, it is
34.5.
How often does this happen?
I was going to say,
how often does one of these cars come up for sale,
you,
up for
you
auction?
may not get another chance.
If you wanted one of these cars and you miss this opportunity, you may not see another one for 20, 30 years. Who knows?
$34,500,000 is the bid.
The eyes of the world on this gentleman with the white hat.
Get impatient if you want it, if it's your car, I do the same thing for you.
I think they're very close.
That would get the reserve off.
$35 million.
Dana Mecum says, hang on.
Give $35 million. Give $35 million.
Well, I know what the auction room wants to happen.
Indeed, and everybody on this stage.
$35 million.
The only Ferrari 250 GTO finished in Bianco paint by Ferrari, chassis number 3729 GT. The only one, Jimmy, the only one.
$34,500,000. Give me $35 million.
I don't know if we mentioned, this car's unrestored. It's been refreshed, it's been maintained,
Yeah.
but never restored.
Very true. Which is, that in and of itself is exceptionally rare for the 250 GTOs.
Yes, sir.
We're watching something that's never happened before. This is the careful negotiation of the price of a piece of history.
Yeah.
And will allow them to take as much time as they wish.
If the answer is yes, the new owner will be in a club that is so exclusive in the history of the automobile. Like, it is unbelievably rare.
And no matter what that new owner does, he will forever be linked
Yes.
to 250 GTO ownership.
Oh, and you'll be the guest of honor at any Ferrari gathering for sure.
And you see the crowd at times, the energy and the sound, and then at times you could hear a pin drop.
Right.
It's interesting to
Yep.
watch the room change here.
35 reserves off.
There it is.
Wow.
The reserve is off.
$100,000. Do you want to get in? Do you want to get in?
Mecum and
How about
Ferrari
you, Lucas?
history
You want back in?
is made.
$35 million is the bid. Anybody give $35,500,000? Once, twice, third and final call. $35,500,000, and it is still for sale.
Is somebody coming in at the
$35 million
at the last second in the back of the room?
$500,000.
Perhaps.
$35,500,000. Anybody else?
Where's he at?
Once,
No.
35,500,000. Twice. Last call. 35,500,000, and it is
It worked.
sold. $35 million.
Wow.
An amazing moment.
Oh, my goodness.
We've seen nothing like this ever in Mecum history. The Bianco Speciale in front of a packed house and millions of interested onlookers around the world, just sold for $35 million, the #1 car in Mecum auction history.
And the most suspense we have ever experienced in all the years we've been with Mecum.